To set up pre-orders on Shopify, enable pre-order products, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, product settings, select the product you want to make available for pre-order or create a new product. Edit product availability. Under the product settings, find the inventory section and set the product's availability to pre-order. Set release date. Specify the product's release or availability date in the availability date field. This date indicates when customers can expect to receive the pre-ordered item. Notify customers. Consider adding a note or description to the product page indicating that it's available for pre-order and mentioning the expected release date. Adjust payment settings. Decide whether to charge customers immediately upon pre-order or at the time of shipment. Adjust payment settings accordingly under Settings, Checkout Order Processing. Communicate with customers. Inform customers about the pre-order option through newsletters, social media, or on your website to generate interest and anticipation. Regular updates. Keep customers informed about the pre-order status, any changes in release dates, or other relevant updates.